What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your keyboard, your layout, and select different numbers and other characters. Okay, so let's head on over to settings. I can click right here, or you can swipe down from the middle of your screen like so. Just type in settings, click the icon right here, and scroll down here where it says general. Click there. Okay, let's head on down right here where it says keyboard. Click on that. Okay, now the first option, as you can see, says keyboards. Let's click on that. And I have 3 keyboards available for me right now, 3 keyboards that I have installed. Now I have the first one, which is English US. The second one is Spanish Mexico, and the third one is emojis. Okay, now let's say that let's do this. Let's try to type in with these keyboards. Okay, I'm gonna go to my home screen by swiping up from the bottom of my screen like so. And I'm gonna hit notes right here. But if you can't find yours, just scroll down from the middle of your screen, type in notes, click on the icon right here. Okay, so I had this little note just pre-made before for this example. And as you can see here in my layout, my keyboard layout is like so. It's in English. And if you look at this little world right here on the bottom left, if I click it, it's going to change from one keyword to another one. Now it's in Spanish. Okay, as you can see, this letter, the N with a little special character on top of it, that's for the Mexican, for Spanish language. Okay, if I click again on the little world, it's going to give me back the English language. Okay, as you can see, that little N with a special character disappeared. Now we're just dealing with American characters. And if we actually want the emojis, you can select the little face, a little emoji thing right here. Just click on that. And here are the emojis. They are sort of categorized, as you can see down here, like sports, food, animals, faces. If I click faces, we can browse all the faces that are available, and we can click, for example, these ones. As you can see, they start appearing. You can select anyone you want, and or let's go to sports. Let's just select, for example, bow and arrow, skateboard, weightlifting. Okay, now if you want to get out of the emojis, again, just click on the little world right here, and we're back to English. Okay, just hit return. Okay, and let's say you want to type in some numbers. Click right here where it says 1, 2, 3. And you're going to have available all the regular numbers, and also this other characters, such as the money sign or the ampersand, question marks, exclamations, and all of them. And you can also get even more characters if you hit right here. As you can see, we can now you can now type in some brackets, percentage sign, the pound sign, the what else? The yen, plus sign, equal sign. And if we want to go back, just click the 1, 2, 3 button again, and we're back to the regular keyboard. Okay, now what if you want to add another keyboard? Okay, let's go back to our settings. Let's up and hold, click right here, and we're going to click here where it says add new keyboard. Okay, hit that. Okay, so we're going to add a new keyboard. Click right here. For this example, I'm going to add Albanian. This is just an example. Okay, as you can see, the Albanian keyword appears right here. And we're going to go back to our notes just to do some tests. swipe up and hold, click Notes, and okay, we're going to hit the little world icon on the bottom left. Okay, so as you can see, right here, we know that we are now in Albanian keyboard. For example, we can see this little E with a couple of periods on top of it. That's Albanian. This letter that's not from the American language or the Mexican language. So you can type those like so. Not sure what I'm typing, of course, but this is just an example. And let's click the numbers right here. The numbers, as you can see, are the same ones. We click right here on this icon right here. We also have the same options as before on the other keyboards. And okay, I'm gonna head on back to the settings. Okay, scroll up and hold, click right here. And let's say that we want to erase the Albanian keyboard because we're not going to be using it anymore. We're going to hit the edit button right here. Okay, and we're going to hit the negative sign right here with the red. Just click there. It's going to ask us if we want to delete. Hit yes, delete. And we are now back to the same keywords we had before. And I just wanted to, a little note, if you want to reorganize the keywords in priority order, we can hold and select the little 3 lines here. For example, if I want to move Spanish Mexico keyboard to priority, we can select right here, hold, and just move it up. Okay, and as you can see, now Spanish Mexico keyboard is in place number 1, and we can revert as we had before. Select the English one, up, and hit done. And that's it, guys. So I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more episodes. Cheers.